Today is Wednesday, let's have a look at my trade setups. We are going to go through them in a bit of a different order today. We'll start with the top step account. First thing we need to do is set the previous day high, previous day low, then drop back down to the 15 minute. We're trading the NAS 100 or the NQ in the futures as it is on top step here. Let's mark up the charts. That's top step done. Let's go on to the next account. Nothing much on that account today. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so EU yesterday took us out at the stop loss here and then ran to our target levels that we predicted in the mornings. Let's see what we can do today. Marking up the high and the low areas that we might wish to target. Currently in the middle. Do we have any bounce points to react from? If we wanted to target the low area here, we'd look for a rejection here, here and here to come back. Because we're in the middle of the action here, there's nothing much for EU. So we'll move over to GU and see if we can see anything better on that one. Changing the accounts to the GU account, let's mark this one up for our high and our low target areas. Let's have a quick look at the higher time frame. Price is in the middle again, same as EU, makes it a bit tricky. We'll see if we can mark up a potential long trade. Not the best of setups today, but I think this might do. Those trades are placed. Let's go have a look at our next account. The UK 100 is a bit of a different story because we're still in the trade from yesterday. First trade lost, second trade is still in and in profit slightly. So we'll continue in the trade by placing two more trades to the long side to the same targets. Should this one fail and hit stop loss and then kick in the following two. On to the next account. One more setup to look at is the 1 minute EU charts. This is just something we're experimenting with at the moment. Okay, so no setup on that account either today. It's going to be a quiet day, I think. Quick look at the news. Shows there's nothing really until 3 o'clock today with the dollar news. Super quick scan through the 15-minute Asian session break, see if there's any setups there. It looks like the rest of the day is going to be quite quiet on the trading front. And that's it, nothing on that one either. Some days you get these quiet days and there's no trades, no matter how many setups you have. That's okay, we'll be back at the charts tomorrow. Catch you later, bye bye.